Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your PlayStation 5 as primary so you can share your games in PlayStation Plus with every other account on your PS5. So go up to settings right here and choose this, and then go on down to users and accounts and select this. Then go to other, and then go to where it says console sharing offline play. Now, once you enable this on the bottom, the account you're currently on will be able to share its game library, and if it has PlayStation Plus, it'll be able to share that with every other account now on your PlayStation. So you can only do this once with a PS5. So if you got a PS5 and a PS5 Pro, that will count as the same system. But if you have a PS4 and a PS5, that will count as separate systems. So once you enable it on the bottom, you can back out, and then you want to go to your game library right here. Go all the way to the right, and then you want to go up to your collection, and you can download games under here. And once you have it downloaded on your main account, you can switch to your second accounts now, and you should be able to play that game because it's already downloaded on the system. So every one of these other accounts will have PlayStation Plus. They can play online, and then they will be able to play the game as well. So just make sure you go to the profile with PlayStation Plus and where you buy all your games, and then you will be good to go activating your PS5 as primary. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.